Hello guys. So, magla-live video ako kasi sobrang ganda ko today. Okay? Ito, kagigising ko guys. Ganda-ganda ng face ko. Pati lawi ko. Wait, sasara ko yung curtains. Masyadong maliwanag. Wait, I'm gonna... Hi Crowders! So I'm here in front of you to show you my beauty right now. So I cannot speak too much. So I just went to the clinic yesterday. So sorry, I don't have my teeth. I took it away because it's very hard for me to eat. So I make my live video to show you how beautiful I am. How beautiful I am right now at home. Ganda, diba? So, para na rin akong si Angelina Jolie later on. Okay, nagpaganda ako. Ayan. So, ayan yung result ng ayan yung result ng pandemic time sa akin. Hi Madam Annie, kasi I miss you so much. Nakita mo naman yung itsura ko ngayon, nagpapa-smile lang ako sa iyo. So I just went to the clinic to have my lips fixed like Angelina Jolie. Charot! Okay, so ito na. Ito yung result ng pandemic time sa akin. So para hindi tayo masyadong ma-stress, dapat lang talagang magpaganda. Okay? So we went to clinic. I made my bro, yan, ganyan. Ganyan nagkaganda yung aking kilay. Ganyan kaganda yung lips ko, magiging heart shape at red na yan later on. Okay? Then pati yung face namin, magbibiglow daw kami para lalo kaming gumaganda. Ayan. Ayan, ito ako sa bahay ngayon. Nakaupo, nagpapaganda, nag-earn. Ayan yung result ng pandemic time sa amin. Okay? So, ngayon lang ulit ako nag-live video para ipakita sa mga friends ko or sa mga members ko. Ayan, nagla-live ako. Moreng! Ganda na ba ako, Moreng? Ganda na ba ng labi ko? Like Angelina Jolie, charorot. Yes, Moreng, nagpaano ako kahapon. Kaya namamaga pa siya actually. Eto, bumili ako ng yelo. Ibababad ko. Nagpa-Angelina Jolie lips. Nagpa-Angelina Jolie lips. Miss ko na yung mga girls night natin. Yes, ang laki-laki, yung kapal-kapal. Kasi nga, tingnan mo naman, mga baga pa yan. Kaya ibababad ko pa yan sa sa yellow later. Yan. Yes, sinanggal ko kasi hirap naman kumain. Tsaka tignan mo naman, namamaga yung labi ko. Hindi ako makasubo. Ito naman. Eto, kukuha ko ng yellow sandali ha. Kasi parang talagang sobrang maga na. Kaya nga parang nga parang nagsalita. Ganun na lang ako magsalita. Parang robot magsalita. Ganun talaga yung mga yun nga yung result ng pandemic sa akin, Morena. What about sa'yo? Anong result ng pandemic? Ito yung result ng pandemic sa akin. Yes, wala talaga akong magawa sa buhay ko. Ganun talaga yun. Ayan, mamamatay ka sa katatawa sa akin ngayon. Ayan. Wait lang ha. At kukuha ako ng yellow. Babad natin yung lips ko. Wait lang. Ito, may yelo ako sa kamay ko. Sobrang lamig. Di ako nagpabunot. Ito naman, alam mo namang pustiso yan. Nag-live video ako para tumawa ka ng tumawa. Ito naman. Pustiso yan, tinanggal ko. Kasi nga nagpalabi nga ako. Nagpa-Angelina Jolie ng lips. Kaya maganda na ako later, no? Ano ka? Ayun yung walang magawa sa buhay, nagpapaganda. Mamamatay ka katatawa sa akin. Pakita mo kay Ma'am Sheila. Hirap, mamamatay ako sa sakit. Sobra. Tiis ganda. Oh. Tiis ganda pag nagpalabi, nagpa-heart shape. Sobrang sakit. Pag nagpa-heart shape na kayo ng labi, sabihin nyo sa akin, sobrang mura lang. May discount pa. Ano ba yan? Nagbabasa-basa na yung ano ko. Sobrang ano. Nag-oil siya kasi nilagyan ko ng cream every 4 na oras. Dapat may cream. Ayan, makeover daw ako. Kasi nga, yun yung result ng pandemic time sa akin, be. Makeover kailangan. Naka-ready na ako. Paglabas ng ano, charot. Sige, tumawa ka lang tumawa dyan. Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Eto, ayan, nag-live video ako para ipakita yung maganda kong nguso. Ganda, diba? Kapal-kapal. Napansin mo yung kilay ko, be? Ganda, diba? Oh. Yan, pinaayos ko na rin yung kilay ko. After how many years? Siguro mga 4 years. I never fix my brows. I just fix it right now. After 4 years. So now it's okay. So it's beautiful again. Okay. Don't react. I love myself. Oh my God. I'm so beautiful. I'm so beautiful right now. Oh gosh. Kakatuwa lang talaga, as in. Para hindi ka lang maboring kung ano-ano ginawa mo sa sarili mo. Diba? So here I am at Oo, inayos ko yung kilay ko after 4 years. Diba 2016 pa to. Ang tagal-tagal na. Nag-fade na talaga siya. Kaya pinapix ko na. Ang ganda-ganda, be. Ang ano ba, message kita mamaya kung gusto mong magpaganda, sobrang mura. Tapos, ang ganda. International pa yung nag-aral yung gumawa nito sa ibang bansa. Malaysia, tapos, I think Thailand, Vietnam. Ay, nako, magaling. Pailong na rin. Magpailong ka na rin, be. Sobrang ganda ng ilong. Sa ilong naman, sobrang ganda. Ganda ng result, be, sa ilong kasi yung friend ko, 'di ba? Yung kapitbahay ko dito, yung kasama ko din nag-earn ng euro. Grabe, ang ganda ng ilong niya ngayon, be, sobra. Ano siya, hindi siya halatang pinatangos kasi ano siya, injection siya na nagiging na bumubuo sa loob, nagiging ano mismo, laman sa loob. Sobrang ganda. Yun nga, madami. Ganun pala yun. Sobrang ganda. BMP tabi. Lako, ang ganda-ganda, be. Ganda talaga. Tignan mo ng kilay ko. Sobrang maganda na yung kilay ko, diba? Ayan, hindi na ako masyadong magli-lipstick niyan. Kasi diba ang itim ng labi ko, be? Yung labi ko kasi, my lips is very dark on the side, and then that is why I decided to fix it because it's dark. If I don't have lipstick, it's very dark on the side. It looks like I'm using cigarettes, but I'm not. I don't like cigarettes actually. And then I also want to wear different colors of lipsticks. So. Ganda pala talaga, no? Sabihin mo kay Ma'am Shea, baka sabihin niyan, dyan na naman si Pukwang. Oh, nag-live na naman. Ito na yung kakambal ni Pukwang. Sobra, as in. I-retouch pa ulit ito, be. I-retouch pa siya ulit. So, ito, orange nilagay ni Madam. And then later, i-retouch. Doon na talaga makikita yung yung heart shape ng lips mo. Doon na talaga siya makikita. So, babalik pa kami doon. And then, actually, nagpaano ako ng kilikili. IPL ang tawag ng kilikili. Ayan. Nagpakilikili ako. Ang kinis na ng kilikili ko, be. Hindi pa yan. Isang beses pa lang yan, ha. Uulitin pa lang. Puti na ng kilikili ko ngayon. Dati ang itim-itim niyan, di ba? Oh, see? Oh, sinong gusto magpakilikili? Ganda. Oh. May muscle pa ako. Payat-payat ko, pero may muscle ako. Oh, di ba? Kailangan maging sexy tayo. Kailangan magiging sexy tayo niyan. Kasi, syempre, pati hindi nanonood si Ma'am Shea para mamamatay ka tatawa yun. Ganda na ng lips, oh. Lalo pag na-okay na siya, as in. Yan. Pag nagpaganda kayo, message nyo lang ako, samahan ko kayo. As in talaga, ang ganda ng gawa, ang ganda ng certificates, talagang nag-aral sa ibang bansa. Yes, pati kilikili, Madam, pinaayos ko na, pinaganda ko kasi itim yan dati, ngayon ang ganda na ang kinis. Ayan. Pag nagpaganda ka, pag uwi mo, samahan kita, promise, sulit na sulit yung pera mo, oh. Diba? Oo, kilikili, nagpaano ako. So, ito yung kilikili ko. Nagpa-IPL ako, Madam. Bali, ginamot yan, hindi natutubo yung buhok. Kasi ang dami kong makapal kasi yung buhok sa kilikili ko, kaya pinatanggal ko talaga siya, ni-laser siya, and then babalik pa kami doon. So, per session pa lang yan, ni-laser yan. Ayan, diba? Sa kilikili. Hirap mag-shave, Madam. Nagsi-shave ako, busy ako. Pag may business meeting ako, wala na akong time mag-shave. Ayan, yung mga ladies diyan na gustong magpaganda, ha. Samahan ko kayo kay Ma'am, samahan ko kayong magpaganda, sulit na sulit. Ayan yung result. Eto, Madam, I miss you na. Lockdown na lahat. Lockdown, hindi ka na makauwi itong Pilipinas ngayon. Later on, aabutin ka pa ng taon dyan sa Australia. Oh, yung tita ko hindi nanonood. Sa Amerika naman, tita ko lockdown din. Instead na umuwi, hindi makauwi. Nung June din yung niya, Ma'am Annie, yung flight niya, supposedly on June, then na-move siya ng July, then na-move na naman ng August. So, impossible na makauwi yun kasi syempre kayo, magbi-vacation kayo ng Pilipinas, let's say 1 month, 15 days kayong maka-quarantine, sayang naman yung araw na 15 days, 'di ba? So, talagang cancel yung tita ko na sa USA, cancel din yung flight niya. So, hindi din siya makauwi. Huwag na muna kayong umuwi, mag-ingat na lang muna. I think, mas takot yata yung virus sa akin eh. Kaya, lumalabas naman ako, pero ingat pa rin. Ayun. So, yun yung result ng crowd 1. Yes, Madam, kilikili, diba? Sabi mo, sasama ka sa akin. Ayan yung kilikili, sobrang ganda, promise. Magpaganda ka na, magpaano ka na ng kilikili, hindi natutubo yan. Yeah. Pagbalik namin, sama ka sa amin ni Erich, ha? Asa na ba yun si Erich? Hindi nanonood. Ay, sir, magandang hapon. Kumusta na yung mga units natin dyan? I missed you, sir. Kaso nga lang, lockdown ngayon. Nag-iingat lang tayo. Nasa Cavite ako ngayon. Nagpapaganda ako sa Cavite. Charot. Hi to Sir Joel Velarde. Ayan, sino pa? Si Ma'am Annie. Ang daming nanonood. Ayan, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo, magpaganda na rin kayo kahit na, I'm sure na-stress na rin kayo sa pandemic ngayon, kaya magpaganda na tayo. Ano? Oh, kilikili madam. Yeah, I took my teeth because it's very hard for me to eat right now. Yeah, it's artificial teeth I have. I put it in water. Ayan. Kailangan magpaganda. Ayan, hindi pa rin ako tumataba. Ewan ko ba bakit hindi ako tumataba during pandemic time. Dapat kain tulog, pero ako talagang nagbababad ako sa sa negosyo at saka pagkakakitaan. Kailangan kong mag-earn ng marami. Well, I just wanna share with you guys, during pandemic time, I'm earning good. Okay, that's opposite of my past before pandemic time, before March. So, I earn more before, I earn more right now than before during pandemic time. So, I just wanna share with you. Ayan yung naging resulta. Kailangan bigyan ng time yung sarili natin. So, ayan, I'm always also puyat. Okay, I'm always puyat. That is why, ayan, magpapabibiglow na rin ako kasi para hindi halatang puyat. Kasi laging puyat sa business, sa Yes, gwapa na kaayo ko. Hi to my sister. Ayan, looks like Angelina Jolie later on. Yes, hungaw kay wala man ko ngipon. Ay sige, katawa diha. Gwapa na kaiko karon ba? Makikita nyo yung results. Promise, ang ganda. Ang daming natulungan si madam, ang daming na change yung mga mukha. Then isa na yung member ko, siya yung mismong nagdala sa akin doon, si Erich. So, ayan, ang ganda na ng ilong niya. So, parang hindi siya wala talaga, as in ang ganda ng ilong niya na tumatangos lang siya paunti-unti. Ganda. Si katawa diha oy. Yes, kilay is life. After 4 years, my kilay is pretty right now. That is my kilay. Ano ka ba? Yan yung asset ko, walang ngipin. Ano ka ba? Sobra. So, ayan, nag-live video ako kasi gusto ko i-share sa inyo na yung mga katulad namin na nag-earn ng euro. Okay. So, hindi kami nahihirapan during pandemic time. We always, we earn more and more. Okay, kasi, yun, we do believe to our companies helping to us. So, sobrang ganda. Kasi, always, there's always a new products to our company, which we are always earning euros. So, we just want to share to people. Okay, so, it's very nice results. So, PM nyo lang ako, those are interested. Kasi honestly, mas maganda talaga yung life namin ngayon. Nag-earn talaga kami ng good. And then, alam mo yung, I'm being honest with you guys. I just received a 1,000 pesos from the government ayuda. But, we earn more, like more than 500,000 or million in our company. Okay? So, since naman hindi naman ito totally for the business that I'm talking to you, then ayan, I just want to share with you what is my situation right now, where I am right now. So I just staying at home, sitting pretty while earning euros. Okay, so it's very nice. So if whoever you just watch, there's a lot of people asking me about this company, then I'm really ready to answer all of you. Nagpaano lagi ko nung saman na siya, nagpagwapa gani, nagpa Angelina Jolie gani nung saman. Gahapon rani maunang hubag kaayo. Pero gwapa, later on magwapa na kog samot ana. Matingala na kaunsa ko gwapa. Charurot. Sobrang ganda, ganda ng result, ganda ng mga sobrang ganda. Ako lagi ni, kinsa man di ay ni, ako to madam. Yes, anong nangyari sa nguso mo? Yes. Oh. Yes, madam, nagpa-heart shape ako, tsaka nagpa-red lips, at tsaka nagpa-Angelina Jolie lips. Ayan, nagpapaganda, kaya ganun ang result. Sige, katawa lang mo diha, kay para malingaw mo, mamatay mo kinatawa na ako, bahala mo diha. Yes, ayan, wala akong ginawa kundi magpaganda ng bahay, mag-gardenings, mag-shopping, magpaganda, ayan, gayan ang result ng pandemic sa akin. Okay, so, ayan. Wala, si auntie, pasyal ka dito sa bahay. Ate, yun ako. Pasyal ka dito sa bahay pag nandito si Motherski. Si Runa o tumatawa. Oo, ganyan talaga ang result pag nagpa-Angelina Jolie ka ng lips. Ganyan ang itsura. Oh, plus wala pang ngipin. Ang hirap kumain. Tiis ganda talaga. Oh. Ganun talaga yun. Pag magpa ng labi, magpa heart shape ng labi, ganun talaga yun. So, maga pa siya ngayon kasi hindi mo pa pakikita yung result niya. So, pag okay na yung pag nawala na yung maga niya, so red lips na ako. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-lipstick. Mao lagi. Cold compress na ganit. Uy, niwang lang gyapon. Uy, nanambok di ay ko. O nanambukog. Oo, ako talaga to as in, nagpapaganda ako ngayon. So, yung buhok ko, ayan si Erich, nagpaayos sila ng hair nila ngayon, nagpakulay. Ako, gusto ko magpahinga kasi talagang magang-maga yung lips ko. After few days, tsaka ako magkukulay ulit ng hair ko, magpapaganda ulit kami. Tambukog jud ko karon. Nako, ano ba yan? Oo, payatot pa rin. Kunti lang siguro nadagdag. Nasa Taiwan ka ba ngayon? Ay, i-PM pala kita mamaya. Baka nasa Taiwan ka ngayon. Mag-join ka na sa akin. Actually, ganda naman. Tapos, yung ilong ko, kailangan talaga siyang patangusin ng kunti. Kasi, hindi pa siya maganda. Maganda na ba ako? Charot. Mayra gihahak jud ka oy. Nako, si kuya naman, itong milyonaryo. Oo naman. Hi, Kuya Lionel. Kumusta na kayo ni Madam Skimel Bakis? Eto, dito sa Cavite. Gusto ko mang pumunta ng Maynila. Takot pa rin ako kasi nga, ayun, meron nga daw positive sa Malate at saka Ermita, sabi ni Coach Cathy. Kaya natatakot din ako, no? Hello po. Ay, nako, sigurado ako may pera ka pa rin. Kaya ipipm kita mamaya. Nasa Taiwan ka pa pala. Hindi na ako pwedeng bumalik dyan. Paano? Nag-earn na ako. I'm earning good na. Pero, magta-travel ako after pandemic time. So, we are planning to travel in different countries. Okay? So, that's the result of earning euros. So, our application, we have a Life Trends, which we can book our ticket. We can book online. Okay? We are like a booking.com right now. Once we will book through our account, we will book where we go anywhere in the world. Okay, once we will book using our own application, we are also earning euros. That's very good products that we have right now. It's new products. Okay, so it's very nice. Sino Sinong artista, Kuya Linel? Sino ba si Pokwang? Oh, ayan, I'm proud. Yes, you look, of course, look at me, no teeth. That is why I look like fish, no teeth. And I have a big mouth right now because later on it will be heart shape. Okay, I went to clinic to make my lips bigger and red lips and heart shape. It will be beautiful later on, you can see me. Okay, but now, what can I do? It looks like this. I looks like fish. Hi, sir. Hi, Bunso. Jana. Ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. Musta ka na, Bunso? I miss you. Ayan, lockdown tayong pareho. Ayan. Grabe, yung ano ko, buti na lang. I'm sure yung kasama ko, nagpapaganda sila, nagpapakulay ng buhok. Ako nandito pa. Pahinga muna ako konti. Ay, syempre, ikaw ba naman may stress sa COVID, di ka magpapaganda, magpaganda na. Yes, I miss you, Bunso. Meet tayo after lockdown. Naku, Diyos ko, abutin pa tayo ng 1 taon nito para mag-get together. Nakakainis, ano. Nakakamiss yung bonding natin, ano. Sige, Bunso, after lockdown, mag-meet tayo. We will eat dinner together. Okay? Yes, tayo ni Pahima. Mag-dinner tayo. Opo. Mag-dinner tayo sa restaurant. So, yun. Ayan, nakakamiss talaga. Nakakamiss kayong lahat. Sa totoo lang. Nakakamiss yung ano. Maiiyak na ako ngayon. As in. Dramatic pa naman ako. Charurot! Yes, nagpapa-pretty ako ngayon. Nagpapa-heart shape ng lips like Angelina Jolie na ako. Kamusad, amping sad mo. Naara ko sa balay, oy. Nagpagwapa og balay. Ay, nagpapaganda ako ng bahay ngayon. Actually, ang dami ko pang plano. Pera lang talaga. Very good. Good earnings. Hi, Joy. Ay, naku, Joy, miss you, madam. Ikaw din, Madam Ski, miss you. Paano yan? Naka-lockdown tayong lahat. Di na tayo nagkikita for how many months? Diba? Siguro medyo okay na yung lips ko later. Pero, in fairness, ganda ng kilay ko, taray. Ganyan, ang result. Charot! Tapos, yung mukha ko, kailangan nakabibig glow yan. Mag-pinkish-pinkish yan later on. Tanggalin ko na rin yung mga warts ko daw, yung mga itim-itim dyan. Tanggalin na yan. Saan man ka pag-apil nga nagtanaw naman ka? Saan man na, bi? Tanaw na ako, wait lang, bi. Saan man na pag-apil? Inana, gi-invite na ta ka. Napil ka sa live na ako, sige. So, ayan, nagpapaganda ako ng bahay, nagkukulik ako ng flowers, I'm making my garden nice and beautiful. Sobra ano, Joy, sobra, as in. Sige ma'am, kuyugon, dalunta ka dito, magpagwapa na sad kag kilay. Wala, ang buntit, kumusta na ang buntit? Kailan ka manganak buntit? Ang layo mo buntit. Hi Rhea Jane, Buntes, kumusta ka na dyan? Kailan ka manganak? Hi to America. Ganun pala yon pag nagpaganda, nag-change yung muka. Yes! Pag nagpaganda tayo, nag-change yung mukha natin. So, ang pangit-pangit ko talaga nung bata ako. Sobra, ang plat ng ilong ko. Daming sobrang different. Yes, sobra. Nagpa-pretty na talaga ako ng bongga, Joy. Kasi, para mawala yung stress mo sa pandemic, Joy. Para magpalayo yung COVID sa akin. Matakot ba? Hello Jane, buntit, kailan ka manganak? Alok, ang cute ng anak mo. May lahi. Humana, uy, unsa man nga giad na gi-invite naman ta ka. Lolo, I make my lips beautiful. It becomes heart shape like Angelina Jolie. Yes, Lolo. Mauna imong ingnon kay Lolo. I miss you both, Lolo. Lolo, you will have a baby soon. It's very cute. Ayan. So, actually, hindi pa yan tapos. First session pa lang yan. Sobrang sakit. Mamamatay ka sa sakit. Tiis ganda talaga. So, kung gusto mo paganda, magtiis ka. Ganun yun. Hindi naman always eh. Sometimes lang. Alam mo yung mga artista, diba? Ang gaganda ng, yung iba ang gaganda ng lips nila. Alam niyo yung hindi na kailangan mag-lipstick. Ayan yung result niya. Ay, October pa. Dako na lagi imong tiyan, no? Dako imong tiyan ba? Nya, dako siguro na nga bata ba? Na, mag-agwanta jud kag iri ana day. Sakit ra ba mag-iri? Bahala ka diha. Iri gyud, iri. Dahil kang ganda ko na ba? Tawa ka, no? Ganyan kasi nagpalabi nga ako kahapon kaya ganun ang result, namamaga. Mag-Angelina Jolie na si ate mo later on, di ba? Yes. Tabang jud kag ire. Dili si Lolo na lang imong si Lolo ang imong pairihon. Mao na, Lolo ire. Ikaw na ang mga anak, please. Na. Mayon talaga pag-exercise ka kay para dali ka mga anak. Di ka magsigi og tambay ana imong balay, maglakaw-lakaw ka kay para dili ka magbiri-biri sa imong tiil. Ilisod kay mga anak sa tinuod lang. Pero okay lang ang result paggawas anak perting cute. Oo, nagpa-pout lips nga. Ito naman. Nagpa-pout lips like Angelina Jolie. Ito na. Nagpa-red lips. Na, mauna na ang result sa imo paglaag-laag, uy. Paglakaw-lakaw. Lakaw-lakaw diha. Dala na imong bibi diri kay ako ng kusniton. Laag mo diri sa balay ha, iniguliin niyo sa Pilipinas. Laag mo. Ingna si Lolo, laag mo. Maudyo, dako kay kagtiyan ay nanambok jud ka. Taman. So, yun, yung buhok ko, papaayos ko siya. So I will fix my hair. It's so dry and it's really 0-0. So I looks like a Barbie before, then I will be a Barbie again. Charot! Nagpa-pout lips ang lola mo. Wait a minute, I'm going to get the ice. Ayan, later I'm going to have to make my I'm going to do my vlog. So you see there's a yellow eyes here. I need to put in my lips kasi sobrang kapal. It's really like a fish. See? Pretty na tayo later on. What can I do? Medyo okay na. Pero grabe talaga, no? Ganun pala yun. Kapal-kapal talaga niya. As in. Where I am now, I'm at home. I just stay at home. Okay. Making my home beautiful and making myself beautiful also. Okay? Mamatay dyan mo kinatawa na ako. Bahala mo diha. I wanna share to you what I'm doing. I'm so busy at home. Okay, wait a minute. Kaping mainit. Oh my God. Here, I need to fix my flowers. Okay, I bought a pots, clay pots. Those are my small clay pots there on the floor. Okay, so it's very busy here at home because we are fixing the electricity. And there's electrician who just take his lunch. Okay, so we fix the electricity here. So so many there. And then I just arrange my house. I bought stuffs. So it's like I'm in fairy tales. I love flowers a lot. So there's a lot of flowers there that I need to arrange. So it's very crowded at home. Okay, the tools of electrician. So I'm gonna show you here also in my store. So I'm opening a store. Okay, that's my store. So I'm opening a small store. Okay, that's the result where I am right now. Okay, so it's my counter. So we just fixing my small store. So they need to fix all the electricity at home so I can work properly. Okay, that's it. So I just share with you what I'm doing here at home. I'm really busy, too much busy. Okay, not only in business but also at home. So I'm fixing. I need to fix my kitchen, my living room. There's a lot of things to do. And I also do my gardening outside. It's very nice. And I have so many plants outside. Okay. I'm gonna share to you my plants. Wait a minute. You see my plants outside? So those are my plants outside. Okay, you see the flowers? It's very nice. Very nice flowers. And I'm planning to do my gardenings here. Okay, but it's very, I have a huge garden, so I want to put some flowers there. There. Okay, so that's it. I'm very busy. I do it alone myself. I just leave it open. So that's it. So it's very nice staying at home, making your house beautiful, buying stuffs, going shopping, earning euros. It's very good. So I'm very thankful to our Crowd1 company, which I am earning a passive income. Okay, so I'm like a pensioner soon. It's very nice. There, I opened the door so you can see me properly. No makeup. Okay, so that's it. Ay, meron na. You want to see my gulay? I have kangkong. I have alugbati. I have sili. I have lemon. I have calamansi. Guyabano. I have malunggay. I have lemon tanglad. We have banaba here. We have talong. I have vegetables and flowers. So in front of my backyard, I have I plant vegetables like so I slowly do it. It's very nice. Okay, so that's my time. Okay, that's what I am doing right now, spending my time planting vegetables and gardening, flowers. I really love it a lot while staying at home. So you can't really imagine you are earning euros online. You are earning you just to withdraw the money inside your account, then transfer it to bank, withdraw it, go to shopping, pay your bills. It's very nice. So that's the result. So it's really different to what my business before. I don't have stress. Okay, so it's very nice. You don't have stress. I've been before that I need to manage the units. I need to command people. I need to do that. You need to do that. You buy everything. But now I'm here. I just work alone by myself and earning good and go shopping, everything. I can do whatever I want. So that's it. So very nice. Pwede na jud. Gahapon nag-harvest akong amiga, gipa-harvest na akong alugbati, gipa-harvest na ako sa iyaha ang kangkong, and then ang talbos kamote, gipa-harvest na ako kay para managhan ba siya, para kanang magtambok bitaw siya, gipa-harvest na ako siya, Jane. So if you want to harvest my vegetables at the back of my house, then you can come and bring your cellophane, your supot, you bring your plastic bag. I will plant vegetables and then you are the one who will harvest it. Bring your plastic bag here at home, okay? It's very nice. So I have so many things to do at home, and also my beauty. So hopefully that our situation will be fine because we are planning to go traveling. Oh my God, it's very hard. It's very hard. We cannot go anywhere, you know. Some of my friends are locked down in the island. A lot of friends who wants to come in Philippines, but they cannot do it. So what can we do? That's life. So actually, I'm going out this afternoon. I will go shopping again. So I also need to check those electrician. They are coming right now to fix the electricity. There's a lot of how you call, the socket here is not working at home. So they gonna fix it. And I'm going to put the lampshade. It's from America. I have 2 lampshade that I will put here, up here. Okay, one left and one right. So that's a gold. So I make my house a gold color combination. So it's gold, white, and light brown. It's very nice. So even my kitchen is gold color. I want to add weight a little. Taray ng kilay ng lula mo. No makeup. Okay. Charot. So I'm just waiting for my driver to come, then I go shopping. Then later afternoon I do the gardening. I really want many more flowers outside. So I will design it like paradise. See, paradise. I'm planning. I have a big space outside, and I'm planning to buy monkey. See, I want to buy monkey. I have vegetables outside. I'm planting the trees, and then I want to buy monkey. Yes, I want monkey. And then what else? I want bird. I will design like paradise with trees and bird and monkey. What else? And piglet. I want piglet. You know the pig that is very cute? The big pig and the small pig like this. It will not grow up. I want to buy that one, the piglet. Because I'm a pig. I was born in the year of the pig. Sagittarius. That is why I'm lovable. Adventurous. That's Sagittarius women. Mabait and kind. Lovely. Okay? What? Sarcastic. Yeah, that's yes. And I want turtle. Maybe I will have turtle later on here. You know, pagong. It's very slow turtle. I will put outside. I will put basin and turtle. I don't know how to take care of them, but I like turtle. They are very slow. What else? Yes, I want cat. I have dog. I want many animals. They said that the snake is lucky, but I don't know. I'm a bit scared of it. So I have so many plants, and also Well, I just want to share with you. Actually, I'm thinking to get a car next month. But, I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet because I cannot go anywhere. You know, pandemic time. It's useless. So, maybe just stay at home and make my home pretty. Okay. I have so many things to do. Hey, Mike, you're still alive? You don't have COVID right now? You don't have COVID? Oh gosh. Drink too much alcohol and COVID is scared. How you call that one when you are, it's like in the Bohol. I like that one that has a big eyes like this. That's it. They are cute. How you call it? Squirrel? Is that squirrel in Bohol? I want to have one like that. Tagay, die! Sayaw, dance! I wanna dance with somebody. What I have done? I make myself pretty. What can I do? That's the result of COVID situation right now. What I have done? I don't have teeth. I cannot eat with this kind of Angelina Jolie lips. I will be pretty later on. You can see, okay? Wait, may nag-message na. I will go soon. I will go shopping. Do you have do you put password to your messenger? Look, I put password to my messenger and you need to put a code before you will open your messenger. So all your secrets they cannot know. Okay? So you just put password in your messenger before you will open your messenger. Oo nga. PM mo ako kasi dadaling kita doon sa gumawa ng lips ko kay Doc. Saman ka Maris, uy nga gwapa na gani ko, imo pa jud kong anuhon. Ay, oo. I don't know, it's just pop up in your it just pop up in your Facebook and then you will just put lagyan mo lang ng code, yun lang, tapos naging ganun lang. Andyan sa sa harap, I think nasa harap ng Facebook mo, open mo yung Facebook mo. Then sa harap may nakalagay na para daw maano mo yung messenger mo, lagyan mo ng code. Tinry ko, nilagyan ko ng code and then ngayon hindi na mabuksan yung messenger mo kung walang code. Nagpagwapa ko. Uy, nagpalabi kog heart shape ba? Chichay, oy, nagpa-heart shape ako ng lips ba? Like Angelina Jolie. Tapos nagpa-red lips na rin ako. Sige, mag-explore ka. Ay, hindi. Magpaganda ka na lang din doon. Samahan kita. Mura lang. Ay, sus, kayang-kaya mo. Pwede na. Hingi tayo ng discount kay Doc. Pagsabayin mo na yung kilay at saka yung lips mo, mura lang. Ganda pa, ibang bansa pa nag-aral, oh ha. Ay oh, yung imuhang nawang imuhang pwede pod, imuhang magpagwapa ka sa imuhang ano. Ayaw na lagi. Ay sus. Naaman ko yung ano kaila pero gamay palagi ang gamay lagi sa dang ROI abutan og 1 to 2 months. One to 2 months lagi ang ROI. I don't see message. What is wrong with you? What happened to your eyes? What you see? Beer? What else? Red horse? That's what you see? Or you want tanduay? You don't see message, but maybe you can see the red horse in Philippines.